financial compensation for abuse survivors, but you must.
Good morning! Welcome back to another vlog, YouTube video. This is gonna be a day in my life, so let's catch up kind of day today. Yeah, the lighting is cute. I'm over here at my friend's Kamai's new place, very fab. We're out here in Brooklyn, away from home today. Yeah, we're just getting ready to head out to the store. It's actually raining out, but that's not gonna stop us at all. We have things to get. I want to get like an adapter for my my external hard drive. That's what I want to do. And whatever else is cute on the way. Hi. Hey everyone, so we're outside now. I'm trying to talk really loud because I have my mask on. Again, if you're a returning subscriber, what up? If you're a new viewer, thank you so much for being here. I'm so happy you found your way to my channel. It's raining today, but that's not gonna stop us. Liquid sunshine. It's definitely very wet out here, but we have errands to run and they have to get done. But yes, you guys, my little outfit, something regular, my little bag, you know, comfortable. If I breathe too hard, my glasses get all foggy, you guys. This is so ghetto. I can't. Here, I'm taking off my umbrella. Oh, it's raining all over me. I hear a train, let's move. The train is here. We're about to get on the train. Alright y'all, so we just got to Harlem right now. We're on 125th Street. I can't breathe, oh my god. But yeah, we're on 125th Street right now. We're in Harlem. Still here with Mike. We're trying to decide where we're gonna go first. I don't really know. I feel like I'm just gonna get stuff. Huh? No shade, I'm just gonna like play it by eye. Like I see something, I'm gonna just investigate it in addition to what I need to get. Oh, Kamai, you had said the models, right? Yeah. So is this it right here? Yeah. Oh, they're closing it. Oh, but there's a line to get in. Are we gonna do that? Huh? Oh, okay. I'm like, what is this line for? That is not a line, so yeah, I definitely could use some more Adidas stuff. I'm coming in here. This is cute. Now, if you know me, but this is too big, 2XL. Look at those baby shorts. I literally have so many like this. I should have made that list because now I just feel like walking into every store. It's not good. But we're walking to our next location. Models had nothing in my size that I would have wanted. They have those shorts.
You want to go to H&M?
But no. What does H&M even have? Unless there's a sale. I'm not really doing them. This beauty supply now, and I'm trying to see if I can find some makeup stuff. And there's a little window. Hi. Okay, but here's what I'm looking at. So Kiss New York, always love them. But Kiss has foundations. Okay, so I'm gonna get a Kiss foundation because now I have to try it. Okay, this one should be good. Pro Touch makeup setting spray from Kiss. Let's try that too. I don't see anything else over here that I want to try. Absolute. Oh, LA Girl. I should get some concealers. Let me get one of these. Woo! Morning. Wow. is like secretly what I want my room to look like, but then I don't have it to actually take care of all of these real plants. Like this is a big ass aloe plant.
Yes, baby. And only $61?
She's struggling.
Yeah, that's the only thing about this store. Like, it doesn't get a lot of light out here. So. They curl up like this in the evening time.
Oh, they are alive.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I was just telling me about this plant. It's called a pitcher plant. He's over it. Boom. You see that bee in there, you guys? And there's like juices in there. Acid. That bee is done for.
She's cooking.
She's tonight's dinner. Work. So we're done in the plant store. We're about to go outside. Hopefully the rain slowed down a little bit because my feet are drying up now. Oh, this will be so cute, like hanging over my door and I have to part it to come in my room. Oh, you're behind the scenes?
Yeah.
We're getting behind the scenes moment over here, you guys. I love a picture moment, especially with all this greenery around me. I just can't. This is called a Bolivian ivy. Come on, he's having another moment. He is literally the plant whisperer. Cute little cactus succulent moment. I really just got it because it's orange and that's my favorite color. So boom, an addition. Now let's check out. Look what we ran into, a Black Lives Matter mural right here in Harlem. This is on 125th Street. There is so much stuff here. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is a lot of things from e.l.f. This is really cute. Okay, y'all, so we're back at the house now. Ooh, the lighting is so fab over here. But anyway, so we're back. I bought some of my stuff, and then also I have a few new things from Kamai and from Dante. I'm actually still with Kamai right now, where I'm at his place. But we have some fresh soy. Oh, this lighting. Okay, time for the silhouette. We have this fresh soy face cleanser. I actually have 3. He gave me 1 the last time I was here. So we're gonna get into these. The skincare realm is about to do so much better. I've been having like a real eczema moment. Like this part of my forehead has been making me know it. So if you ever see any texture there, that's what that is. It's been super flaky, but I've been able to get it back together. And then from Dante, I got these olive oil, like Real Nature mask sheet. I'm not gonna call it olive oil, but like, this is the moment right here. They are really, 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 really nice. I think it's like a hydrating kind of moment. It's Korean skincare. You know, Dante has this All About the Journey skincare channel, which will be linked below since we're talking about it. I'll probably put a card in here as well, so you guys can check that out, you know. But I'm excited to try all of that stuff, especially because I need to try more hydrating and moisturizing elements in my skincare, just for at least this part of my skin in general. Also, this light though, oh my god.
Right.
Well, my brows look pretty good too. Guys, I'm doing well. I'm doing my skin. Okay, Kamai, I'm moving in. Like, and then he has all these plants. Like, look at these ones over here. What's the other ones? I'm gonna run up in your room. I'm just gonna show them the plants, because we respect privacy on this channel, guys. It's over here too. Now I can't really remember all of the names, you guys. There's a lot going on. I really love this one right here, and he has these moments right here. There's a few more up top, like, right? Okay, I thought I was eating it in my room, but he came and just showed us all how it's done the right way. So cactuses are succulents. I didn't know that. I also learned that from Kamai today. So she was $10.99 plus tax. I paid like $11. And I really liked it because it has this orange tip on it. And if you don't know, orange is my favorite color. So I figured why not? Because I really love it. But I cannot wait to try all this new skincare stuff because, wow, this is already so dry and I had moisturized it earlier, like completely saturated it. Gee, the sun is coming out and fading. Why when I bring out my camera? What's going on? But the rain has ceased and I'm with child. How many months, Kamai?
2.5.
Y'all. Wow. I have these new things. So I have these 2 new products from Kiss. I'm so excited to try these actually. So these are the things I had got in the beauty supply just now. So this is the Pro Touch setting spray from Kiss Products. And then this is the drop foundation, because I guess it comes with this dropper thing inside. Definitely excited to try these. My skin is doing pretty good. I'm still trying to get these scars to go away. Oh, the sun went away and it's raining again. There's a life update. We're literally getting dressed now. Kamai's getting in on the other side. Oh my god, another one of these.
What are you doing?
Okay, so we're on our way. We'll hit you guys when we get over there.
But either way, we're outside.
Inshallah. Mystique is here, honey.
What's going on back there, Kia girl? What's going on back there?
Inshallah. Hey y'all, you see my jacket? A new sheriff is in town, honey. I'm still here at my friend's house. I'm here with Kamai. Hello.
Hello.
This is just a little hack. If you feel really full when you're eating, try eating laying down. I'm no doctor, but I think it makes a difference for me at least. The food isn't falling to my stomach, but rather it's traveling. You understand? Just a little hack, you know? Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I'm finally awake. It is hot as hell. Good morning. New upload today. My eczema. Oh, you guys, this is such a journey. Oh my god. I'm just gonna leave it alone. I'll take care of that when I go wash my face and moisturizing things in the shower and do my skincare. So it's doing better. It's not so dry looking anymore, and hopefully the redness goes down. Okay, y'all, so hi, thank you so much, Ramesh. I told you day 1. So we are putting our stuff together for this meeting. I'm gonna take my laptop, iPad, other phone. This is such a business girl. I like to put these things in a Ziploc so they're not like all over my bag. I'm going to my sister's meeting, so I'm actually going to be wearing her brand mask or her company mask. So this is it right here. Let me see. Shawty's favorite spot. Okay, so I'm a little bit in a rush. I'll hit you guys when I get over there. And then yeah, we'll continue this journey on and on. Okay, y'all, so we're done at the meeting. I'm actually headed back downtown now. Meeting went very well. I'm just a little short of breath walking around with this mask. There's a lot of people around here, so I had to put it on. Okay, I just got off the train in Brooklyn and I wanted to vlog a little bit and conclude this vlog as well while it's sunny outside. So I guess no more rain today, I hope, because I'm gonna finish editing this vlog. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys like vlogs like this, kind of more regular, away from makeup. I believe I already have one like that on my channel, but let me know what you guys think. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed this vlog today. Don't forget to share with some people who you think will be interested as well. And lastly, remember to subscribe to this channel. And also click that notification bell so that you can get a notification each time that I upload a brand new video to my channel. Oh, it's so nice and sunny. Oh my gosh. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.